In today's video, I will show you you can easily add email notification in your Jenkins pipeline. So when any success or fail happen in our pipeline, Jenkins will notify us by email. Those things I will show in this video, and first I will explain the video, then I will show the hands-on demo. Before I start the video, just a quick reminder: if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel, because after complete the 60-day course, I'll also create cloud and DevOps related video which will help your professional career. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now let's start today's class. So first I will give you overview of this documentation, then I will explain and show you the demo. So our objective is email notification add in our Jenkins pipeline. So if our build is success or fail, it will notify us. So for that purpose, we need to do some prerequisites. So some prerequisites we need to do the demo. So those steps are here. I will explain later. And these steps I need to follow to add email notification. So first I need to install email extension, and for installing email extension plugins, I need to follow these steps. Then I need to configure the SMTP server. For that purpose, you need to follow these steps and make sure you use your email address. Here it will be your email address, and you will get the app password. Those steps I will show in the demo, and make sure you're using 465 port and SMTP. These things you need to add your SMTP configuration. Then we'll add a default email setting. These things you need to put, and make sure you put your email address here. And we'll add the following code in your pipeline. So this is the post section. For if success, then it will send you email with this body. Here just put the job name and build number, and just add a line was success. If you want more line, you can put it here, and if it's fail, you will get this message. So these are you can easily add email notification in your Jenkins pipeline. Now let me scroll up. Now I will explain everything in the document. We need to install some plugins, so we'll use these plugins. So let me copy that plugins, and there is another plugins. This way you can use old way. So nowadays Jenkins introduce these plugins. This is the most easiest way. So try to use these plugins. I have also created another video where I mentioned how you can use the integration by these plugins. So in this video I will show you these plugins, and also like in SMTP server we can use Gmail SMTP, or we can also use AWS SES. So this is SES is like a simple email service of AWS. This is AWS service. So when we will see the AWS course, then I'll show the SES also. Same thing, basically we'll use the SMTP configuration of Gmail account. So let me check the plugins first. So in the dashboard, if you go to manage Jenkins, so in the plugin section, so in my PC this plugin is already installed. That's why it will be showing install plugins. For your case, it will show in the available plugins. Let me copy the plugins. You can see these plugins in install. So for your PC, it will not install. That's why it will show in the available plugin section. Okay, so don't worry about that. So after installation of the plugins, our next step is we need to get some what is called SMTP server configuration. We already put these things, and before installing the SMTP configuration, we need username password of that. When we are connecting to an email address, we need the username of the email ID and the password of the email ID. But normal password we are not able to use. For that purpose, we will use the app password. I will show you how you can create the app password. So before that, just first create the credentials. So let me go to the Jenkins again. So we already installed the plugins. Now go to manage Jenkins. So go to the credentials. So here the credentials, scroll down, click system, global system, then add credential. Here you need to choose username and password, and username you need to put your email ID. So in my case, com, and password we will normal password we are not able to use. We need to create the app password. So how we can create the app password of an email address, I will show now. So let me go to my email address. So this is my email address. Click the icon and go to manage Google account. Now in the security section, you need to click security. Make sure before you use, you must be active two-step verification. If you don't enable two-step verification, you are not able to create the app password. So make sure you enable the two-step verification first before create the app password. So creating a password, Google has changed some interface, so that's why it's not showing now. So for app password, you need to click here app. You need to wait. Sometimes it's coming, or sometimes not, or sometimes it will take too much time to come. So if it's not come, then I will also share another way. So let me wait for a few seconds. You need to wait sometimes. This is basically let me show you the another way also. So it's come now. So if it not come, then I will show the another way also. So a password is come. So now click that one. So it will ask for your password. After put the password, you get this screen. Then type T18E. Then create. Then it will show the password. Just copy that one. It will show only one time, so make sure you copy that one and save in secure place. So copy that one and make sure you remove the space. So copy that one. So go to your Jenkins pipeline. So now put the password here. So you give the SMTP email, then 18E. Okay, so also make sure you are using username and password in the kind section. Then put your email ID and put the password which you created from your password. Just give a name, so create. So now we need to configure the system with this password. So for that you need to go system, and all configuration is there. So there is lots of things. So just type search by SMTP. So if you type search by SMTP, then this section is come, and make sure this is below the extend email notification. So here we put the SMTP server for Google. So we already show in the documentation this server will use, and the port also I mentioned in the documentation. You need to put your default email suffix at gmail.com. Don't put your full email address, just @gmail.com only. Then for default recipient, you put your email ID. So that's all for this section. But in the advanced section, you need to put your password. To click advanced. So here already the created the previous video. So if you click this one, you can see your one. So this one I created is SMTP email 18E. So select that one and click apply and save. So now we will create a pipeline. So click new item. So give it day 18EE. So pipeline. Okay. So go to the repository section. So click CM, then Git, and copy your Git ID. So I already created a Git in our last class. So then 14, just I changed the Jenkins file. So let me show the Jenkins files what I put here. So it's just simple Jenkins file. One stage is showing, just echo a build, and here I add one command which is sh exit 0. So if exit 0, it will be success. If exit 1, it will be failed. I add this line because I want to show you how we can like success or fail. So then in the post section, I add like 2 options. For success, email will be in the email subject will be show build success, and your job name, it will come from the environment. Then bodies, email body, it will show job, then the job name. So job name is your pipeline name. Then build number, what is your build number? Then if it's success, then it will show this was successful. Then 2 section, you add your email ID. Same way, you just change it, message the failure, and here is fail. Okay, so this is just simple like Jenkins file. Just want to show you the like email notification, nothing else. So this file is already there, so I need to copy the link. Copy. So go to the pipeline. So I need to that repository. So it's public, so we don't need any credential. For branch, we know already it's main branch. Jenkins files is there. Okay, so apply, save, build now. So we see it's all a success. So go to the log. You can see as building showing, then exit echo. That's why it's successing. So it's saying the email and it's success. So if I go to the email, then you can see the basically this way. You can see the like email. You can see so build success, the body. Our job name is, our pipeline name is 18E. So in the body, we can see the job day, job, then the like pipeline name, and build number is 1, was successful. So now make it fail. So we know how we can make it fail. We just make to exit 1. So go to there and go to the Jenkins file. So click the Jenkins file, edit the file, and put it in 1. And this thing I also show you from our local PC. So if I add the local PC, then commit, then like I need to add some more times to make the video. So that's why I didn't show that way. Just in the same way, basically clone your code in local PC, then push it, then build the pipeline. So instead of copying file from local PC, I just changed the git section. So this was number 1 build. Now we'll build, now it will be 2. So it will be failed, and also send the message to the, you can see this step is failed, and it is going to send the email. So it's saying, so if you go to the log, console output, scroll down, you can see it's exit 1, that's why it's failed. So message sent, and its status is failed. So if you go to the main, you can see now it's failed. So if you go to the main, you can see the job name is day 18. Now build is 2 because it's 2 number build. So, and it's the fail message. Same way in the like message subject is showing build fail and the pipeline name or job name. Okay, so basically this way we can notify anyone who are like related in this project, or also PM. So this is very important for as a DevOps engineer to like add your like update of the project to know everyone is fail or pass everything. So today is I will show like the email integration with Jenkins. So this way you can notify by email. In the next class I will show how we can add same thing in Slack. So if like build is pass or build will fail, same thing we will notify by Slack also. So that's all for today's class. I hope this class will be helpful for you. So if you found this video is helpful for you, so then please subscribe and like the video. In the next class we will discuss in the Slack notification. So up to that time, best of luck. Bye.